Hey guys, today we are back with another experiment. Today we will gonna do a new amazing experiment. Today we will do sparkly explosion. And before we start, please like, subscribe and share it with a friend to try it. What do you need to make this experiment? Vase, 2 tablespoons baking soda, half cup cooking vinegar, tray, 2 teaspoons blue glitter, 5 drops red food coloring, What to do to make this experiment? Put the baking soda in the vase. Place the vase in the tray. Place the food coloring inside the vase and the glitter. Pour the vinegar quickly inside the vase. See what happens when you pour the vinegar to the baking soda.